Okay, we looked at reverse chain last week. We're going to look at reverse chain with trig this week. So this time, again, these are both on the formula sheet. So cos ax plus b, so the integral cos ax plus b dx goes to sine ax plus b, but we've got to divide by the number in front of the x, which we've done previously, and don't forget your plus c. So sine, we knew cos went to sine goes to negative cos, and again we've got to divide by the number in front of the x, don't forget your plus c. So looking at your first example here, the integral cos bracket 3x minus 2 close bracket dx, cos goes to sine, we write down what's in the bracket and we divide by the number in front of the x, don't forget your plus c. So here we've got a mixture, we've got one where it's a kind of algebraic one and one where we've got a trig one. So the first one, 3p plus 2 to the power of 4. We increase the power by 1. We divide by the new power and the number in front of, in this case, p. So here, 3 5 is 15. 3p plus 4 to the power of 5. Over here, sine goes to negative cos. So we've got a negative negative, so it's positive. So 3 cos 2p, don't forget to divide by the number in front of the p, which is 2. Don't forget your plus c. So it's 1/15, 3p plus 4 to the power of 5, plus 3 over 2 cos 2p plus c. So you might get an evaluate one. So this is the evaluate the integral between 0 and pi of cos 3x plus pi over 4, but they've written it in a slightly weird way deliberately. They might write it in that way, they might not write it as pi by 4. You've got to think about it, be able to think about it in both ways. So here, the integral, cos goes to sine. Write down what's in the bracket, 3x plus quarter pi. Don't forget to divide by the number in front of the x between 0 and pi. So we substitute it in. 1/3 sine, 3 times pi, plus a quarter of pi, minus 1/3 sine, 3 lots of 0, plus a quarter of pi. So here, 3 pi is 360 and a 180. So that's 540. Add the 45, which is the pi by 4. We get 585. And here, 3 lots of 0 is 0, so we get pi over 4, which is 45. So it's 1/3 sine. Now 584, because that's bigger than 360, we take 360 off it to get it between 0 and 360. So it's the sine of 225 minus, well, sine 45 we know is 1 over root 2. So again, 1/3, 225, third quadrant, acute angle is 45, sine of 45 is 1 over root 2, so it's negative 1 over root 2. So it's negative 1 over 3 root 2 minus 1 over 3 root 2. So it's 2 over 3 root 2. If we times top and bottom by root 2, we get the 2's cancelling, so we get root 2 over 3. So this should be negative root 2 over 3.